Hello everyone, welcome to Odo Hcare. In today's video, we will be showing you how to configure insurance details and how these details will be affecting an insurance patient. First, let us go to the insurance companies. In here, you can see that we have configured almost all of the insurance companies that are available in Qatar. You can configure these details based on your contract with the insurance company from the medical tab. For example, the insurance type, the approved amount based on the treatment group discount, and so on. We also have an option to configure the coverage treatments and non-coverage treatments as well. If you want to create a new insurance company, you can also do that by simply clicking on the create button here. Now let us go and see how it will be affecting our appointments for insurance patients. Let us go ahead and open an appointment. To configure the insurance details for this particular patient on this particular appointment, click on Edit button. From here you can see that there is an insurance tab. Select Create and Edit and provide the insurance details. For example, insurance company, the co-payment, and the policy number. These information will be available on the insurance card of the patient. Click on Save. Then you can see on the payment lines that the treatments that are available for this particular patient are all based on the selected insurance company. So only the treatments covered by this insurance company will be available in this list. After marking completed on this appointment, you can see that an invoice will be generated where the patient share and the insurance share have been calculated automatically by the system based on the configurations we have done. We also have the option to modify patient share and co-insurance share if the invoice is partially approved or rejected from insurance company by selecting on this is special case. You can also fill up the approval code, event reference number, and other insurance terms in the invoice so that Hcare can generate a perfect claim sheet report. And this will definitely make the insurance coder life a lot more easier. To check the insurance claim report, we have to go back to Hcare. On the report section, you will find the insurance claim report. Let us go ahead and check the report for the appointment that we have created today. First, we have to select the insurance company. Then select the range of date that you would like to generate the report for. Click on Generate XLS. Save the report in your PC and then open. So here you can see the claim report, and this report is configured based on the template format that we have received from these insurance companies. We also have cover letter for these insurance companies which are configured based on the templates provided by the companies as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you, and I will be seeing you on the next one.